In a win for President Trump and America, German Chancellor Angela Merkel is offering government support for a project that would open up Germany's market to our natural gas. The move coming as Trump seeks to loosen Russia's hold on Europe's energy markets. Merkel doesn't describe her change of mind as a defeat, but rather calls the decision a, quote, strategic move. Trish, I call it a win for Donald Trump. He's the one who brought up the subject of this crazy pipeline they had that would have made them completely dependent on Russia.
Yeah, you know, I mean, sometimes it just takes someone to point out the obvious, right? And I think that he's done a really terrific job at that. This was one that, you know, Germany, it didn't make any sense. They were going to be completely dependent on Russia for these gas imports. And, you know, maybe it sounded good at the time, but good for him. For shedding some light on the situation. And again, it's just pointing out occasionally what's very obvious.
Well, we didn't need actually President Trump to point this out because we know that Russia in the past has used their gas and their commodities as a political weapon. And so this is a very significant event. And I think the most important thing that happened today is actually our U.S. ambassador to Germany, Rick Grinnell, talked about it earlier on Cavuto. So we can listen here.
Having the announcement from the Germans that the German federal government will put money into this really is a game changer, because that means that the terminals will get built and that LNG will come to Germany. And the significance of that is that it will help Europe and Germany really diversify its energy needs, which is exactly what needs to happen.
He's right. It's exactly what needs to happen, especially because think of NATO and everything that's happening. Why is one of our major partners in NATO relying on Russia? And so if you think about what's happening, we're negotiating with the EU right now when it comes to trade. So this will help alleviate some of those concerns.
One of the pillars of Donald Trump's economic rejuvenation program, which is to rejuvenate the carbon industry in the United States. And this is another market for it.
Well, also, you know, there's bigger points. You remember it was just a few months ago when Trump was over and they were supposedly all of the EU, they were laughing at him, right? And now Germany, which is about 50% reliant on Russia for natural gas, is investing in this facility to take natural gas and the storage and transportation. $600 million. No, $600 million.
How reliant are they going to be on Russia after this?
What's that?
How reliant?
It depends how much they import.
49%?
No, but they import from Russia, Norway, the Netherlands.
Like listen, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's a blip.
But no, wait a second. If they're investing $600 million in there,
$600 million?
$600 million in a storage facility.
Not exactly the biggest investment.
But LNG, there's a lot of discoveries coming. LNG is at the stage, liquefied natural gas, where a lot of the fracking was about 15 years ago. And look what has happened with fracking now. I mean, we could revolutionize the whole LNG industry, and Germany's starting right now to develop a new port for LNG. Could be good timing.
Well, if it was a blip, it wouldn't have happened, and then you would. I mean, if
$600 million is not a lot of money.
No, it actually is, because what's going to happen is this is peg one into actually start to not maybe actually, because there's no. I can tell you why, because there's three other terminals. I read the article. There's three other terminals that are going to be competing and try to do more
and Russia's
natural gas.
But Charlie, even if it's small, it's an opening for U.S. markets that didn't exist before.
Listen, it's great. I want to sell more stuff, but don't make it like this is some sort of revolutionary thing.
It's the beginning. Plus, it's a big win for the president.
It is. I think
it's a nice win. Let's pop some cork.
In your mind, what would be revolutionary? How much of an investment would they need for you to say this is a real opening?
You understand what a revolution is?
No.
This is not a revolution.
What dollar figure could you say? Would they spend $1 billion? Would that be? Would you say, that's a big commitment?
This is coming from a guy that was talking about Laffer curve takes time to flow through, and now you're saying it's a blip. And
by the way, $600 million is one quarter of what Netflix is going to spend.
He's now the math prof.
They're not having streaming problems in Netflix
on content.
We're glass half full. We think it's a good thing.